Hello everyone, I'm Martinus Bagus Jaksono and today I would like to explain how to create data logger using SCADA software. Okay, so the data logger will be like this. So here there is a number which is auto-generated by using another software, and then here in Simon we can create a button to collect the data logger within some period of time. Okay, next we can continue to create the data logger using some software, Cycon and Simon. So first of all, we can open the Cycon software, and we can create the number generator using Cycon software here. We can go to PLCS and then next. Then we can put name of our project here. Click OK. And then after we have this kind of display, and then we can go to program here, right click it, and then create new program. And for the name, again I will use DDLGR, and then click OK. So we have like a blank space here to create our ladder diagram. And then we can put normally open contact and put the operand as F93. And then for the output, we can put application instruction or press F10. Here for the instruction, I will use ENCP space D0 as the increment number auto generator. And then after that, we can go to online, and then connect. We can go to online here, and then go to connect option and click simulator, then OK. And again we can go to connect the PLC simulator, and then after that we can download this ladder diagram into PLC. So you can press link, download, and monitor. Press OK. Then it's transmitting. Finish. Run the PLC. Now, as we can see that this normally open contact of F93 is blinking, it means that the increment number is auto generated. As you can see here, there is a number that increase one by one in every second. Okay, we have finished with this Cycon software, so we can go to another software, which is Simon. In Simon here, I will create new project, and the name is CNT. underscore logger. Okay. So first of all, we can go to I/O devices. We can add new devices here. For the device name, I will put counter, and then for the manufacturer, I will use Simon PLC Ethernet. And then we can add station. This station I will put the name as counter. And then for the IP address, we can put 127.0.0.1. Okay. And for the COM port, here we have the COM port here. We can put the IP address as 0000. Save, close. Okay, and then we can add a COM block here. For the block number, we can leave as it is 0, and then for the address, we can choose D. Here is 0, and for the word is 10. Click OK, and then save, and then close and close. Next, we can go to data logging here. So for the model name here, we can put dt_lgr, and for the logging add, we can choose tag value changes. So every changing in tag value, it will be logged. And for interval, we can put 1, and then we will save all the data into I will put here at desktop. I will make a new folder here, dt_logger. Okay. And we can choose how long that we can make the data logger, in every day, every week, or every month. So okay, we can add the model name and then click OK and close. Next, we can go to database here. For the database, we can create a new tag here, and here I will put the name as counter, and then for the type of data or type of the tag, I will choose analog, and then here is real tag. For I/O device, I will choose counter, and for the address is D0. And then for the advanced here, for data logging, we can choose dt_lgr that we have prepared before. Then we can click OK. So we can continue to page 1, and here we can create the tag value. Click tag value here, and then click in the blank space area. And for the tag name, we can choose counter here and click OK. Double click it, then we can adjust the size of the tag value. I will put 200 here, so it will be bigger. Okay. And I will also make it transparent. Okay. Next, I will make the button to collect those all data that we have generated before. So I will use rounded rectangle. I will put beside the tag value and then put the tag here. This is like view data. We can enlarge the text. Okay. And for the rectangle, we can click touch here, and then for the action we can choose command expression, and then here we can find the log file dialog, put bracket here, and don't forget to check the touch box here. Then we can click OK. Next, we can try to run the Simon's eggs that we have prepared before. I will arrange the position first so that we can put our data beside this user interface that we have prepared before. Okay, save as all the thing as page 1, and then for the Simon's X environment starting page, we have to pick page 1 that we have saved before. Run Simon X, click OK. Yes. So since we have the increased data from the Cycon, then here we can have the display of our increased data. You can see in the Cyclone here. This is a Simon and Cyclone. So as we can see, we have exactly the same data, even a little bit different in time display, but we have exactly the same data here. Next, in order we can have the data logger, we can click the View Data button here. So after we click the button, we will have the convert logging file here. So we have log data file, we can click it and we can convert it. And it will be converted as text and will be automatically saved to the place that we have prepared before. This is I will convert to the text and save. And next, we can also download the data as CSV file that we can open the file later using Excel Microsoft. Click and save. Okay, we can close, and then we can open the data that we have here, data logger, ETLGR. So we have two files here that have been created before. This is the text file and this is the CSV file. Okay, we can go back to the Simon and Cycle. So here the data that generated automatically, and then here is the data locker that we have been created before. This is in the Notepad file, and the other is in the Excel file. Okay, this is the end of our explanation. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.